Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are okay. I am going to start our topic, the human eye and the colorful world. Up to now we have done structure of eye, different parts of eye and their function, defects of our eye. Today I am going to start a new topic, that is atmospheric refraction. You understood the word refraction of light. Refraction means bending of light when it comes from one medium to another medium. Atmospheric refraction is the refraction of light by Earth's atmosphere. A simple observation is that when we see the objects through fire, objects appear to move slightly. Look at the fire. The air get hotter and go upside. The air is hotter on the upper side and air is colder on the lower side. The air above the fire is hotter as compared to the air below. Hot air is lighter. It means this is a rarer medium as compared to the colder air. Light ray that bend when it comes from rarer to denser medium, it go towards the normal. So when we see the objects through the fire, they appear to move slightly due to different optical densities. Now we will discuss some more natural phenomena on this topic. Look at this. You can see twinkling of star at night. Stars shine at night. Sometimes stars appear brighter, sometimes they appear dim. This is due to atmospheric refraction. The reason of this is stars are very far from us. Light from the star passes from the many atmospheric layers when it reaches to our eyes. The starlight reaches our eyes, sometimes increases, sometimes decreases, and due to this, stars appear to twinkle at night. Stars appear to twinkle, but why planets do not twinkle? Because stars have their own light, but planets do not have their own light. So planets do not twinkle. Another difference between stars and planet, stars are there are many stars in the sky, but planets are only 8. Stars are fixed at one point, but planets revolve around the sun. Another topic is advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. We see sun 2 minutes before the actual sunrise and 2 minutes after the actual sunset. This is also due to atmospheric refraction. The time from sunrise to sunset is lengthened by about 4 minutes due to atmospheric refraction. Look at position of sun. Actual position of sun is below the horizon, but it appears above the horizon to our eyes. The reason of this is the actual sunrise take place when the sun is just above the horizon. What is horizon? The place where sky and earth appear to meet. That place is called horizon. क्षितिज हिंदी में जिसे कहते हैं. But due to atmospheric refraction, sun is appeared to be raised above the horizon. So we can see the sun before the actual sunrise. Similarly, at the time of sunset, the sun is below the horizon, but we can still see the sun due to atmospheric refraction. Again, this time is 2 minutes after actual sunset. This is the reason of advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Our next topic is scattering of light. Scattering means बिखरना. Scattering of light means throw light in various random directions. इसका मतलब है लाइट को अलग अलग दिशाओं में बिखेर देना. That is called scattering of light. The Earth's atmosphere contains many molecules, water droplet, dust particles, smoke, etc. When sunlight through the atmosphere passes through it, then the light is scattered by these particles. This is due to Tyndall effect. You can see Tyndall effect here. Scattering of light in both these two images. What is Tyndall effect? When beam of light passes through the colloidal solution, the path of light becomes visible due to scattering of the light by colloidal particle. This is called Tyndall effect. So the reason of scattering of light is Tyndall effect. The color of scattered light depends on the size of scattered particle. Very fine particles scattered blue light, and lighter particles scattered different colors of the light. Actual scattering of blue light is maximum and red light is minimum. Look at this beautiful sky. What is the color of sky? It appears blue. What is the reason the sky appears blue to us? The reason is scattering of blue light is more, the sky appears blue. Next topic is, what is the color of sky appear to astronaut? Sky appear dark. It is not appeared blue, it appears dark because there is no atmosphere in the vacuum. If the earth had no atmosphere, then there will be no scattering of light will take place and sky would appear dark. Sky appear dark at high altitude. It means there is no atmosphere above the earth, so sky appear dark to astronaut. Look at this beautiful sun. What is the color of sun at the time of sunrise and sunset? Color of sun near the horizon, it appears red, and when it goes to the perpendicular to our head, the color changes. It is less blue color scattered. Color of sky at sunrise and sunset, it is different, reddish. At sunrise and sunset, sun is near the horizon and the light from the sun travel through the thicker layers of the atmosphere and longer distance through the atmosphere. Near the horizon, most of the blue light and shorter wavelength are scattered away by the particles. So, the red light, which is having longer wavelength, it reaches to our eye and sun appears reddish at the time of sunrise and at the time of sunset. Again, the sun rays travel a longer distance from the horizon. Red color wavelength is maximum, so sun appears red at the time of sunrise, similarly at the time of sunset. Why danger signals are red? We have seen danger is written with red color or red light is there. Why danger signals are always red? The reason behind this is scattering of red light is minimum and wavelength of red color is maximum. It appears to us up to long distance. We can see the red color up to long distance. To save the people from any danger, signals are made up of red color. If we made signals of blue color, scattering of blue light is maximum and wavelength is shortest, we cannot see the blue color after some distance, but red color appear up to longer distance, so danger signals are red. Thank you. That's all. Have a nice day. Bye.